figure out how to sync the audio without doing this and then watching the stream. So I will just go to my stream and make sure it works. I can't hear anything. I can't hear anything. I can't hear anything. Yeah, okay. Good enough. Anyway, um, we have the CLI installed now. So I will just be able to go into the folder that we just created for number one. Actually, I haven't submitted this yet. So add 2022 day one. And it's all uploaded to my GitHub. You can see it right here, yscreen/advent of code. I also made the copy sound a lot quieter. This thing should be quieter now. And if you want to copy the code after the stream, you can just go into the folder here. And this is the main pie that we just wrote. Super simple, super short, and sweet. Okay, let's go to the next. Well, it's a good thing that wasn't an API key or something. Let's go to the next challenge by running this little script that I wrote here called next.sh. And of course it's crashing because no such table stats. Oh boy. How about we delete... Man, I've had this issue before. I should have tested if this works. Well, let's see if it works now. Nope, no such table stats. Well, it didn't even create the meta file. Oh, this is very unfortunate. What if I go create a temporary directory? You don't want to see this, I know. I'm just struggling with using this tool. Um, it seems to be working now, so let's see if I just go back into the O1 folder, I remove the O2 folder, and I execute the command for next again. Okay, it works. So, what we have here is a little boilerplate. It's reading the file and it's executing the easy and hard methods. All that it's doing is getting t into a global variable so I can access the text for the challenge. It's importing a lot of different libraries that I might or might not need to use. And I think it also has the list map thing that we previously talked about in a tiny shorthand. So you don't have to write list map every single time. You can just do lmap. And there's actually already a pre-written line here for doing some mapping to split. Like this would be a tab separated table, so it's splitting the lines here, and then it's doing like a split based on the tab character, because a lot of these challenges end up working that way. So we have the challenge right here. We can look at it either in Markdown view on the right or the source code on the left. I really like to look at it this way. It makes it very convenient and easy to extract the important information. A giant rock, paper, scissors tournament is in progress. You're giving a strategy guide. Y, X for rock, Y for paper, Z for scissors. In this example, if you were to follow the strategy guide, you would get a total score of 15. Okay, wait. Recommend the following. In the first round, your opponent will choose rock, and you should choose paper. This ends in a win for you with a score of 8. 2 because you chose paper, and 6 because you won. In the second round, your opponent will choose paper, and you should choose rock. This ends in a loss for you. Wait, what? Why should I choose paper? Wait, I'm very confused. Let's just read the entire thing. How about that? Your reason must be what you should play in response. X for rock, Y for paper, C for scissors. In Encrypted Strategy Guide, they say will be sure to help you when the first column is what your opponent is going to play, and second is what I play. Wait, so if they play rock, I play paper, which is I win. They play paper, I play rock, which is I lose. Okay, interesting. Second round. Mm-hmm. Got it, got it, got it. So if I play A, I get 2 points. If I win, I get 6 points. If I play B, I get 1 point. Okay, 1 for rock, 2 for paper, and 3 for scissors. Oh, but I'm playing. So this is 2. Yes, this is 1. Yes, and this is 3. Yes, and I'm also winning. No, I'm ending in a draw. Okay, okay. What would your total score be if everything goes exactly according to the strategy guide? Oof. So we have to, well, split the input by new lines and spaces. So there we go. Parsing is complete. Now what we want to do is figure out if we win and how many points we get. We have a score of 0 for um, theirs and mine in T. S plus equals X, Y, Z. So this is the, oops, this should be a curly brace bracket. And S plus equals, oof, this is gonna get a bit tricky. How do we figure out? Well, there's gonna be 3 by 3, there's gonna be 9 different combinations. We can just pre-calculate the score for all of them. So we got A, B, and C. So what I'm doing here is I'm extracting 2 different moves out of every single line. I'm splitting the line with spaces, so we get the first character and the second character. Then we have theirs, which is the first character, and mine, which is the second character. Then we add to the total score. This is like a dictionary lookup. So mine is going to be either X, Y, or Z, and then it's going to look into this dictionary and see which letter matches with my move. If I'm moving X, I'm getting 1 point. If I'm moving Y, I'm getting 2, and if I'm moving Z, I'm getting 3 points. Now the question is, how do we calculate if I'm winning or losing? Well, we can just see what they choose and what I choose. So every single one where there's parity between my move and theirs, I'm gonna get 3 points apparently because it's a tie. That's what it says here. So we have AX, BY, and CZ, which are rock, rock, paper, paper, and scissors, scissors. So they're both the same. It's always a tie. Now, when do I win? If they choose rock. If they choose rock, I have to choose paper. So AY is going to result in 6, which is convenient because that's also done there as an example. If I lose, I get 0 points. And if they choose paper, then I have to choose scissors, which is Z. So I get 6 points here. And if they choose scissor, I have to choose rock. So I get 6 points here. And this should be it. Invalid literal int. Well, why am I turning this into an int? This is stupid. I don't have to map it at all, but let's just do it this way. I forgot to return the result. Now I'm printing S, and it's 11,150. Ah, do I still know how to do this? Yes. This is not looking very good. I have a feeling that this CLI script is no longer working, which is pretty bad. Well, but I'll tackle that next. Okay. The elf finishes helping with the 10 and sneaks back over to you, says how the round needs to end. X means you need to lose, Y needs you need to end round and draw, needs to win. Good luck. The total score is still calculated the same way, but now you need to figure out what shape to choose so the round ends as indicated. Okay, well, this is pretty simple. I will simply copy this script, but instead of mine, this is now outcome. And now we have to find out mine, which means that we will take the bears and the outcome and return then a letter, which is going to be X, Y, or Z. And it's going to be this exact thing here, but instead of numbers, now we have to figure out what to return. X means I need to lose. So they have rock. How do I lose? I lose if I have scissors. They have rock. I need to end in a draw. So a draw is always going to be the last letter. No, what am I saying? The draw is going to be theirs translated into my letters. So A is X, B is Y, C is Z. Let's just do this all manually. X, Y, Z. This one is just always going to be the third option. So here we have, I need to win against paper, so I need scissors. No, X is lose, right? I need to lose, so I need to win. I need scissors. X, Y, X, Y, Z. So we get Z, X, Y, X, Y, Z, and what is this one? Let's find out. I need to win against scissors, so I need a rock, so this is X. I need to have, I need to win against scissors, I need rock. I need to have scissors, to have a tie, which is C. Okay, let's see if this is correct. Oops. 18, 8295. Nope. Oops. Yeah, what the hell is happening here? I don't know why this script doesn't work anymore. This is very unfortunate. 8295. Hey, there we go. So what do? We learned how to look up things from arrays, from dictionaries. We're pre-computing all of the complicated things to make it a lot easier. You don't have to write a function that determines who wins. You don't have to go through all the different options. This is a constant time lookup, and this makes this code run very, very fast. I mean, we can see how long it's going to take to execute this. Yeah, 100 milliseconds. And if we were to store these dictionaries globally, it would be even faster. Python isn't the fastest language. And yeah, I will git add commit push at day 2. And we're done for now. Those are all the days that are released. And now I'm gonna fix this dang script. Let's see how that goes. Let's see you tomorrow.